Little Cubbies.
Once upon a time, in a tall tree in a quiet forest, a baby bird lived in a small nest with her mother. The little bird loved her cozy nest. She chirped happily and watched the wind blow through the leaves. But every day her mother encouraged her. "Little one, it's time to try flying." The little bird shook her head. "I'm too small. I might fall." So the mother bird brought her food and waited patiently. Days passed. The little bird watched other birds flying through the sky. They soared, spun, and sang in the wind. "I wish I could do that," she whispered. One sunny morning, the wind was soft and the sky was blue. The mother bird looked at her gently. "You're ready," she said. The little bird stepped to the edge of the nest. Her tiny heart beat fast. She closed her eyes and jumped. Down, down she went. Then whoosh! Her wings opened. She flapped, wobbled, and then she flew. She soared past the trees, felt the wind under her wings, and laughed with joy. From that day on, she flew every day. She wasn't afraid anymore. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.